Many people think loud people speak better English, but honestly, that is not always true. Sometimes, quiet people become the best English speakers. Why? Let's talk about it. Quiet people usually listen carefully, and listening is one of the most powerful ways to improve English. They notice pronunciation, sentence structure, speaking style, common words. Their brain quietly learns everything. Now imagine two students. One student talks all the time, but never listens. The second student listens carefully every day. After some time, the second student often speaks more naturally. Because listening builds strong English habits. Now maybe you are a quiet person. Maybe people say, "You talk too little. You are shy. Why are you so silent?" But listen carefully. Being quiet is not weakness. Sometimes, quiet people think deeply, and deep thinking helps language learning. But there is one important thing. You must still practice speaking. Yes, even quiet people need speaking practice. Start small, very small. For example, speak one English sentence in the morning. Maybe, "I feel sleepy," then another sentence later. "I am eating lunch." Slowly, your confidence grows. Remember, confidence is built through small actions, not big actions. Now let's talk about fear. Many quiet people are afraid of making mistakes. They think, if I speak wrong English, people will laugh. But honestly, most people are too busy thinking about themselves. They are not judging every small mistake. And even if you make mistakes, that is normal. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. Every fluent speaker made thousands of mistakes before becoming confident. Now let's do a small speaking practice together. Repeat after me slowly. I'm learning every day. Good. Again. I'm learning every day. Excellent. Now this one, I'm not afraid of mistakes. Very good. And now, my voice matters. Excellent. Never think your voice is unimportant. Your thoughts matter, your ideas matter, and your English journey matters too. Now here is a powerful tip. If you are shy speaking with people, start speaking alone first. Talk to yourself. Describe your day. Describe your room. Describe your feelings. This trains your brain slowly, and after some time, speaking with others becomes easier. Little by little, you become comfortable. Now listen carefully to this sentence. Quiet people often become powerful speakers. Why? Because when they finally speak, they speak carefully, clearly, and thoughtfully. That is powerful communication. Remember, English is not about speaking loudly. English is about expressing yourself clearly, and you can absolutely do that. Even if you are shy, even if you are quiet, even if you feel nervous sometimes. So never underestimate yourself. Your improvement is happening slowly, even when you cannot see it. Thank you so much for listening, friends. And remember, small daily practice creates big confidence. See you in the next lesson. Bye, friends.